everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to do a painting that I'm going to be teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas in September. September 27th, 28th, 29th. I'm going to be doing a chaos ribbon swipe. So I want to go ahead and kind of do some of these so you guys can see these kind of paintings, so you can see exactly what you're going to be doing in my class. So today I'm using some leftover colors, just some colors on the spectrum of the rainbow. If you got a color wheel, going around the color wheel, just some primary kind of colors, and then to do some swiping. Probably do a little bit of wrecking. We'll see how that goes too. All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I just finished painting another painting, and I thought, well, I can move that out of the way and bust out another painting for another video. So I wanted to do a chaos ribbon swipe, since that is going to be one of the classes I'm teaching at the Fluid Art Experience. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. This is the size canvas that you will be painting on if you are taking my class. What I did is I painted my sides and edges with my base coat color. So I know I've mentioned this before, but this here is paints that are scraped off of my canvas. So none of my paints are going to waste. So this was a black base that I had, and I had some of the colors to it. So this is more like a gunmetal gray. Really love this color, it's beautiful. And today I'm kind of just using colors around the color wheel. I'm using Pyrole Red, Azo Orange, both of those from Amsterdam. Got some leftover DecoArt and Sapphire. My go-to, Payne's Gray, Creative Inspirations. And I got some Dioxazine Purple from Liquitex Basics. My cell activator is Australian Floetrol mixed with Amsterdam paints. So it's mixed 3 parts Amsterdam Australian Floetrol to 1 part of titanium white from Amsterdam. So what I did is I did 3 ounces of Australian Floetrol to 1 ounce of titanium white. This is deep gold from Amsterdam. This is mixed probably 5 to 1. Amsterdam gold is a lot thicker than some of the regular Amsterdam paints. So I took more of the Australian Floetrol to mix it up. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to lay out a base coat in just kind of a square pattern. Let's go with the Pyrole Red. I'll probably come back in with the colors a second time. There's orange. I have some titanium white. I think I'm going to just use that up. Sapphire. Dioxazine Purple. Payne's Gray. Let's see here, what do I want to do? Let's go back in with some of the lighter color. So let's come back in with orange. And the red. Give it a torch. I'm going to load up my palette knife. So this is my palette knife I'm going to use. I'm going to start right here on this edge and make like a wave pattern. Keeping the front end of the blade up. Go right on through to the edge and right off. Then I'll do one more this way. And then I think what I'll do is I'll wreck on the ends. Keep the edge up. Kind of swipe through here to the end. The edges and stuff are going to go off. But what I want to do is I want to do a little test with my gold and see how good my gold is selling up. Yeah, that's sold up pretty good. Now, I think what I'll do, like I did in my old paintings, is I will do some wrecking. So let's just kind of like do some swirls. This over here is going to end up coming off anyways. All right, let's give this a torch again. Okay, as I said, this is the bigger cell side. I'm going to go ahead and lose those. Let's do this. Add a little more cells. Got plenty of paint on there, so that's going to allow that to be able to stretch. Got some great cells through there. That's selling up, that's working. Dump that down that way. We can stretch this back down. I like everything about this. I love how the lacing, the cells have stretched. I stretched them out a lot. So it kind of just stretches and moves them across the canvas. Really cool. All right guys, so I'm gonna touch this up, get the corners, make sure they're all coated. I'll scrape, torch, and then I'm gonna bring you guys down. All right, here we are with the wet result. So I'm loving the stretching of these cells. They're so cool. Creates a beautiful lacing. It's really deep and dark. Look at the cells, look at the color through there, so cool. Got a little negative space there. All right, here we are with the dried result. Love it. Stretching out of the cells, the lacing, really cool. All right, everyone, that is the piece. It dried really great. I love the stretching of the cells, making them get more stretched out instead of staying super, super small. So it creates that lacing effect. Got some cool little negative space here in the middle. I really like this a lot. It's gonna need gloss varnish so that the colors really show up and start to pop. But yeah, this is really, really cool. I like this. So again, this will be a piece that this is the technique that you'll be able to learn at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas. So, all right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Everyone have a great rest of the week. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.